David Las Cañas, a retired policeman of the Davao City Police Office, Philippines. I am the author of this sworn statement. Walang nagtuturo sa akin, walang nagtatakot sa akin. It is my own free will. I am now affixing my signature this day of October 8, 2020. I've been a policeman in Davao City for 34 years and 8 months. I was one of the original members of the Duterte Death Squad. It was not yet known as the Davao Death Squad. It was way back in 1988-89. And I can narrate everything what our group did, particularly our group. The whole Davao Death Squad network was used as Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte's personal killing machine. They took advantage of our blind loyalty to him and our greed for money to promote and protect his personal and political interests. All of our targets were killed based solely on the intel information and orders given by Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte himself, or through his evil lieutenants like Sonny Buenaventura and Mr. Christopher Bongo. Back then now, none of the Davao Death Squad members attended or even heard to validate these death reports, and we just killed them simply because we believe in and blindly follow Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Tinawagan na ni Sani si SPO Corbin Laod, yung may-ari ng Laod Quarry. Kasi sabi ko kay Sani, kung dalhin natin ito sa Samal Island, makikita ang iba nito at saka napakalaking trabaho at saka kabila. New Year ngayon. So, mas mabuti siguro doon na ito sa Laod Quarry, pumayag si Mayor. Then, pinababa namin lahat. Lahat ito nakapaking tape ang mata. Tapos, nakatali ng tie wire ang kamay at saka ang paa. Then sinabi ko kang Alan C, saan ang mga documents mo? Kasi wala siyang wallet eh. Ngayon, tinanong ko siya ngayon. Tanungin mo, yung mga kasamahan mo, siyempre sa language nila. Tinanong ngayon ni Alan C. In Chinese, tinanong niya, yung sumagot yung mga babae. Kung hindi ako nagkamali, 6 o 7 sa kanila nagsabi kay Alan C. na ang kanilang passport ay nasa kanilang employer na si Michael Yang of DCLA Store. Yung the rest, sinabi kinuha ng police during the arrest sa kanila. Dito medyo nangamba ako, kinabahan ako. Kasi nakilala ko na si Michael Yang, na very close kay Mayor Duterte, very close kay Sammy Oy, Sonny Buenaventura, kay Bongo. Tama lang talaga ang timing ng International Criminal Court na mag-conduct sila ng full-blown investigation. Hindi lang sa 2011, ibalik nyo pa doon sa 88. Bakit? Ang daming mga mass graves sa Davao City. Hindi lang mass graves ng grupo namin. Mass graves ng grupo namin, Daud Quarry. Mandog, Barangay Mandog, mass grave. Yung Samaa, mass grave. At saka yung dagat na ginawang mass grave. Alis ko sa iyo, Mayor Digong Duterte, magharap tayo sa ICC. Ang yabang-yabang mo. Ang sabi mo, magaling ka na prosecutor. O ako, 4-year law lang ako. Iharapin mo ako. Kung pwede, bigyan pa kita ng partida. Anong gusto mong hingiin mo? Bigay ko, sabihin mo, I waive my right against self-determination. Gawin ko yun. Kung pwede pa, no counsel, gawin ko yun. Harapin kita. Kasi purpose ko, makulong akong tayong dalawa. Dito, level ang playing field natin ng dalawa. Ipakita mo na sinungaling ako. Now, kung approve mo na nagsinungaling ako, simple lang ang ibigay kong reward sa iyo. I will commit harakiri in public. That's it. This apology and this complete revelation of the evil deeds and crimes of Mayor Rodrigo Roa Duterte are not enough to ease the pain of the families of the victims we have killed. It is also not enough to redeem my lost soul. But this is the least I could do. To try to make up for the monstrosity that I have done. More importantly, I am hoping that this will be an important step in finally stopping this evil, this monster, Rodrigo Roa Duterte. His terror, death, and destruction that Rodrigo Roa Duterte had imposed on our country and our people.
Welcome to Team Sam TV, your channel for the latest news updates. Here, we break down the biggest stories from around the globe, covering everything from breaking news to politics. Whether you want to stay informed or just catch up on what's happening, we've got you covered. So, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest news. Join the Team Sam TV family, and let's explore the world together, one update at a time.